Good morning, students. Once again, welcome back to our online classes. Today we have our GK and SUPW period. Am I audible to you all? Okay. So our GK and SUPW portion that is already completed for the first semester. And as you all know that there is no exam for GK and SUPW. Okay, that is just for your self-study. For the first semester, there is no exam. In the second or third semester, it may be there. Okay, for SUPW, some activity or something will be there. You will come to know afterwards. Okay. So today, what we will do some quiz. Okay, we'll do some quiz. And if you have any doubt, whatever we have studied, you can ask now. Okay, yes, Ayushi.
Yes, in English, last time I said you that you did not check the sum assignment. Until now, you have not checked my sum assignment.
Okay, show me.
Miss, you have just corrected. You have not written anything. Wait, just a second. Yes, it is my summer assignment, and this lesson number 1 and 2 meanings also. You have not checked it.
Not checked.
Here, yes, miss, and here you have written.
There is the assignment after that.
Yes, miss. In this last term, you have written summer assignment, and after that you have put question mark.
And where is the summer assignment? It is from the next page.
No, miss. In the first chapter only I have written after the first chapter.
50, isn't it? Class, sorry, Ayushi 6-3. Okay, I will see that. I'll give marks if I have not given. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Yes, Pratyusha.
Ma'am, I don't have a doubt.
You have raised your hand. That's why I asked you. Put your
Ma'am,
hands down.
Okay, ma'am.
Sharya. Sharya Singh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Miss, I was late till now. What do you have to teach?
Nothing I have taught till now. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Anshika.
Nothing.
Yes.
Ma'am, nothing.
When you don't have to say anything from the beginning, only as you entered the class, your hand was raised. And that is not by mistake. People are doing it. Okay. Sarthak Singh, your camera is off, so I will not give you permission to ask anything. If you want to ask something, first switch on your camera. Okay, so we'll do some quiz related to maths, science, okay, general awareness. Okay, I'll ask questions, then I'll see who is able to give the answer. Okay. So first, related to maths. Okay. Who invented the letter zero? Who invented the letter zero? Yes, Siddhant Singh.
Miss Aryabhat invented the letter 0.
Yes, Aryabhat. Yes, that's the correct answer. Good. Next is, what is the total distance around a figure? What is the total distance around a figure? Yes, Sanskar.
Ma'am, perimeter is the total distance around the figure.
Say it again.
Ma'am, perimeter is the total distance around the figure.
Yes, good. Perimeter of a surface, it is the total distance around the surface. Very good. Next. What is a figure with 6 sides called? What is a figure with 6 sides called? Arush Verma?
Hexagon.
Hexagon. Yes, very good. Okay, that's correct answer. And with 7 sides? 7 sides. Abhinav?
It's heptagon.
Heptagon. Yes, very good. Then with 8 sides? Savarni. 8 sides. Yes,
Miss, my voice is coming.
yes.
Miss, I am not sure about 8, but I can tell 9.
9. Okay, first 8 I am asking. Pratyusha. Yes, octagon. Yes, good. Octagon. Then 9. Yes, Savarni. 9.
Miss, pentagon.
9. What?
Miss, pentagon.
Pentagon. Is pentagon or nonagon it is?
Miss, with 9 sides.
Yes, 9 sides.
Miss, I thought it was pentagon.
Okay. Then 10 sides. Is Celestine.
Miss. Octagon.
Oh, octagon is 8 sides. Okay. Kritika. Yes.
Ma'am, decagon.
Decagon. Yes, good. Decagon it is. Okay. Next question. Next question is, in which country did the chess originate? In which country did the chess originate? Chess. Adarsh.
Miss, India.
India. Yes, that's India. Good. Next question. How many straight edges does a cube have? How many straight edges does a cube have? Lavanya. Yes, Lavanya. You are not audible. Anshika Yadav.
Miss 8.
8. No. Not 8. Yes, Pranav.
Ma'am, 12.
12. Yes, answer is correct. Answer is 12. What happened to you, Pranav? You are wearing mask with head
Miss, I'm
cover on.
outside the home. Miss, I'm not at home, that's why.
Okay. Okay, so take care wherever you are. Okay. Next question is, okay, so a cube has 12 straight edges. Next is, how many cards are there in a playing deck? How many cards are there in a playing deck? Anshika Upadhyay.
52 cards.
52 cards. Yes, that's correct answer. Next, how many days are there in a leap year? How many days are there in a leap year? Every time you people are studying this. Yes, Yashashvi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Miss 29 days.
29 days leap year I have asked.
Oh,
Miss, I can say,
Who is this?
Ma'am, Kritika Chaudhary.
No, let her say first. Yes. Yashashvi. Okay, somebody else. Siddhant Singh.
366 days.
366 days. Yes, correct. 366 days are there in a leap year. You are studying from class 2 or 3, I guess. Okay. How many degrees are there in a circle? How many degrees are there in a circle? Yes, Swarit.
Ma'am, 0.
0.
No, ma'am.
In the center, how many degrees are there?
Infinite.
How many?
Infinite.
Finite? No. Prakriti?
Ma'am, 360 degree.
360 degree. Yes. 360 degree. Yes. Good. Next is numbers that can be divided only by 1 or themselves are called numbers that can be divided only by 1 or themselves are called Samriddhi.
It's prime number.
Prime numbers. Yes, good. Prime numbers. Next is what is the other name of the perimeter of a circle? What is the other name of the perimeter of a circle? It's Pragyandeep.
Ma'am, I want to say which chapter we are doing.
Say what's.
Ma'am, I want to say that which chapter we are doing.
We are not doing any chapter from the book. I am simply giving questions. Okay, it is not from your book. The portion what we have to study in the first semester, that is already over.
Ma'am, I can say.
So I am asking some questions.
Ma'am, I can say.
Think Kritika, let others also give chance. Sana Gupta, yes. What is the other name of the
Circumference.
circumference?
Circumference.
Yes, good, correct. Then who is known as the human computer? Shreyansh. Who is known as the human computer?
Please say the question again.
Who is known as human computer?
Ma'am,
Who is known as human computer?
Shakuntala Devi.
Yes, Shakuntala Devi. Yes, answer is Shakuntala Devi. Next. Which device in mathematics consists of beads? Aditi Chaudhary. Which device in mathematics consists of beads? Your voice is not coming. I cannot hear you. Arush.
Yes, abacus.
Abacus. Yes, answer is abacus. It's correct. Okay, which is the only even prime number? Which is the only even prime number? Only even prime number. Yes, Riddhima.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the only even prime number?
2.
Yes, tell the answer.
2.
2. Yes, correct. Answer is 2. Yes. Next. How many seconds are there in an hour? How many seconds are there in an hour? Yes, Kshitij. Kshitij.
Miss 60.
Ma'am, I can say.
60. Miss 360 seconds. Miss 360 seconds.
360.
Yes, miss.
No.
Ma'am, I can say.
Wait, Prashant. Oh, where he has gone. Is Pranav?
Miss 3,600 seconds.
Yes, 3,600 seconds. Yes, good. 3,600 seconds. What is the full form of God mass? Nowadays only you have studied.
Ma'am, I
Full
can
form
say.
of, yes, Pragyan. Yes. Say Pragyan.
Ma'am, bracket of division. Ma'am, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction.
Yes, good. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay, mute your mic. Next. What is X in algebra known as? What is X in algebra known as? Agrima,
Ma'am, an unknown number.
an unknown number or variable. Okay, variable. It varies. Okay, so variable. Okay. Okay, now from science and technology. Which non-metal is a good conductor of electricity? Which non-metal is a good conductor of electricity? Nowadays, only you have studied, I guess. Bhavya,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. Yes, Anshuman. Graphite, yes. Graphite is the correct answer. Good. Which is the first computer in the world? Which is the first computer in the world? Shreyanshi Rajput. First computer. Yes. Shreyanshi. Which is the first computer in the world? Asking from someone. You have studied in 5th class. Forgot. Okay. Celestine.
Ma'am,
What? Okay. Supriya.
Miss ENIAC.
ENIAC. Yes, correct. ENIAC. Very good. ENIAC.
Ma'am.
Next. How many planets are there in the solar system? Name them. How many planets are there in the solar system? Name them. Shaurya Singh.
Miss.
Shaurya. Unmute your mic, Shaurya. It's Tanvi Rao. Yes.
Ma'am, there are 8 planets in the solar
Planets?
system.
Yes. Name
Mercury,
them. Yes.
Mercury, Venus,
Yes.
Earth, Jupiter, Neptune, Uranus,
Yes.
and ma'am Saturn.
Saturn. One more is left.
Ma'am Mars.
Mars. Yes, very good. Okay. There are 8 planets. Now Pluto is already removed from the solar system. So we are not counting Pluto. Okay. That was the smallest planet, but it is removed. Now only 8 planets are there. That is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Good. Next question. Which was the first animal go to space? Which was the first animal go to space?
Good morning.
Who is
Good morning,
this?
ma'am.
Good morning.
Miss Shaurya Singh. Miss
Yes, Shaurya.
Dog.
Dog.
Miss
Yes.
Dog.
Yes, correct answer. Correct answer is dog. Good. Okay. Which fish has no skeleton at all? Which fish has no skeleton at all? Arya Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is this? Shivansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, still the answer.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm 10 minutes late, ma'am. So what you have teaching?
What you have taught? I have not taught anything from your book. Your portion is already completed for the first semester. So I am asking general questions from GK. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So give answer for this. Which fish has no skeleton at all? Okay, Arya?
I'm jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Yes, very good. Jellyfish. Next. What is the full form of? What is the full form of WWW? WWW. And Pratap.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Miss World Wide Web.
World Wide Web. Yes, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Right answer. Okay, mute your mic. Next full form. Wi-Fi. Next full form Wi-Fi. Swarit.
Ma'am, wireless frequently.
Wireless.
Wireless frequently.
Frequently. No, wireless is correct. Frequently is wrong. Wireless. Anshika.
Miss Wireless Fidelity.
Wireless fidelity. Okay, wireless fidelity it is. Okay, good. Next is, which planet is known as the morning star or the evening star? Which planet is known as the morning star or the evening star?
Moon.
No. Planet I am asking. Moon is not planet. Shreyansh Gupta 6th D. Shreyansh Gupta. Is Siddhant?
Miss Venus.
Venus. Yes, good. Correct answer. Venus. Next is, who is the father of vaccination? Who is the father of vaccination? Pragya Mishra.
Ma'am, Narendra Modi.
No, not Narendra Modi. Father of vaccination means who was the person who invented the first vaccine? Okay, Kritika.
Edward Jenner.
Who?
Edward Jenner.
Yes, Edward Jenner. Correct answer is Edward Jenner. It's good. Okay, which travels the fastest? Which travels the fastest? Light or sound? Rudrani.
Ma'am, sound.
Oh no, it is light. Light travels faster. Okay. Okay. Now questions related to sports. Okay, first question is, Olympic Games are held after every how many years? After every Pragya. Okay, Anubhuti.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Miss,
Yes.
after 4 years.
After 4 years. Yes, correct. After 4 years. Next. Dhyan Chand is associated with which game? Dhyan Chand. Arohi.
Miss Hockey.
Hockey. Yes, good. Correct answer. Next. How many players are there in an ice hockey team? Ice hockey team. How many players are there in ice hockey team? Lavanya.
Miss 11.
How many?
11.
No, it's not the correct answer.
Miss 10.
Yashash. No, Yashashvi.
Miss 6 players.
6 players. Yes, correct. Answer is 6 players. Which country has won the most football World Cups? Which country has won the most football World Cups? Anshika Rai.
Brazil.
Brazil. Yes, Brazil is the correct answer. It's good. Now next is questions related to social science. Okay. First one, who was known as the Frontier Gandhi? Who was known as the Frontier Gandhi? Yes, Supriya. Yes. Voice is not coming. Yes, unmute your mic.
Miss, I have not lower my hand from that time. Sorry, I forgot.
Anshika Shrivastava.
Sorry.
Abdul Ghaffar Khan.
Yes, Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Yes, that's the correct answer. Good. Then, who was called the grand old man of the Indian National Congress? Who was called the grand old man of the Indian National Congress? Is Ritik? Yes, Ritik. Yes, speak up, Ritik. Arohi.
Miss Dada Bhai Naroji.
Yes, Dada Bhai Naroji. Correct answer. How many wonders are there in the world? Next question. How many wonders are there in the world? Shanshi.
7 wonders.
7 wonders. Yes, correct. Shanshi. 7 wonders are there. Okay. Next. The largest river on earth. Aradhya. Aradhya, unmute your mic. Aradhya. Yes, Samriddhi.
Hello.
Yes. Largest river on earth.
Miss Nile River.
Nile, no. Suvika. Yes. Markande.
Miss the Amazon.
Say loudly.
Miss the Amazon.
Yes, Amazon River. Okay, correct answer. Good. The Amazon River, that is the largest river. Next question is largest forest on earth. Largest forest. Shivansh.
Ma'am, Amazon rainforest.
Yes, Amazon rainforest of Brazil. Okay, it's correct. Good. Next, largest desert on earth. Largest desert. Samya. Yes. Don't know. Siddhant.
Sahara Desert.
Say loudly again.
Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert.
Sahara Desert. Yes. Sahara Desert of where it is?
It's in Rajasthan.
Not Rajasthan. It is of Africa. Okay. Next is how many states and union territories are there in India? Who is this? How many states and union territories are there in India? Samia. Yes.
Can you repeat the question?
How many states and union territories are there in India? We have studied in previous chapter only in GK.
Miss, there are 9 union territories and 28 states.
There's 28 states, but 8 union territories. Okay, 8. Mute your mic. Which color symbolizes peace? Which color symbolizes peace? Vidya Sahai.
This white color.
White color. Yes, correct. Good. Next. Which is the most widely spoken language in the world? Which is the most widely spoken language in the world? Akhand.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Miss English.
No, it is not English.
English.
Siam.
Miss Chinese.
Chinese, yes, correct. Mandarin Chinese. It is the most spoken language in the world. English is the second widely spoken language in the world. Okay, not English is not the topmost. Next question. Who wrote the national anthem for India and Bangladesh? Yes, Prakhar.
Miss Rabindranath Tagore.
Rabindranath Tagore. Yes, correct. Next question. Which country invented paper and gunpowder? Which country invented paper and gunpowder? Aradhya Singh.
Miss China.
Who? Which country?
Miss China.
China. Yes, correct. Which is, next question, which is the highest mountain peak in India? Which is the highest mountain peak in India? Vikhyat.
Miss Himalaya.
What Himalaya? It is
Mount Everest.
Kanchenjunga. It is mountain peak is Kanchenjunga. Okay. Next question is, Patliputra was the ancient name of dash city. Patliputra was the ancient name of dash city. Which city was known as Patliputra? Vidya?
It's Patna.
Patna, yes, correct. Name the first metal used by Harappan civilization. First metal used by Harappan civilization. Yashashvi.
Miss Copper.
Copper, yes, good, correct. Name one famous slogan given by Mahatma Gandhi. One famous slogan given by Mahatma Gandhi. Shanshi. Shanshi Rajput smiling. Yes.
Miss, I don't know, Miss. I want to say another question.
Somebody is saying something.
Miss, I don't know answer.
Is Anubhuti? Is Anubhuti Shukla?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning.
This the famous slogan of Mahatma Gandhi was live as if you were and die tomorrow. Learn.
Famous one is that is do or die. Okay, do or die. Okay. Ram Nath Kovind is the dash president of India. Ram Nath Kovind is the dash president of India. Means which number president he is.
Miss, I
Which number president he is? 10th, 11th, 12th. Arya?
Ma'am, 14 number.
14 number. Very good. It's correct answer. 14. ROM stands for ROM. ROM. Shivansh?
Ma'am, read memory.
Read only memory. Yes, correct. How many fundamental rights are given in Indian Constitution? How many fundamental rights are given in Indian Constitution? You must have studied this in civics.
Miss, I tell.
Yes.
Miss 5.
5, not 5.
No, Miss 6. Sorry, ma'am.
6. Yes, 6 are there. Which city of India is called the City of Lakes? Which city of India is called the City of Lakes? Samriddhi Singh. Kritika.
Udaipur.
Udaipur.
Huh.
Not Udaipur. You people are searching on Google and then replying the answer, isn't it? That is why I'm not able to pronounce it. I know you people are very smart. Everybody is sitting with another phone and searching it, isn't it? Okay, the largest living animal in the world. Largest living animal in the world. Is Abhinav Arya?
Miss Elephant.
Elephant? No. It's not correct. Wrong. Anshika?
Antarctic blue whale.
Yes, blue whale. Blue whale is the correct answer. Yes, correct. Last question. Name the folk dance of Punjab. Name the folk dance of Punjab. Some are sleeping.
Folk dance Punjab.
Of Punjab. It's Shlok.
From Google.
Yes, miss.
It's
It's Bhangra.
Bhangra? No. Pass. Everybody is sleeping now.
Miss, I can tell.
Who is this? Kritika.
Miss Samriddhi.
Kriti. Yes, still the answer.
Miss, I think Giddha.
Giddha. Yes, Giddha is the correct answer. It's correct. Okay. Very good. So many of you know many things. Okay. Your GK general knowledge is very good. Many students are good at it. So you people can participate in the quiz also. Okay. So for today we'll end the class, and one thing, for yourself, clap your hands. Those who have given correct answers, clap yourself. Okay, very good. Okay. So for today, we will end the class. Okay, next Saturday, if class will be there, we'll do again some quiz. Okay. We'll meet on Monday again. Okay. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye to everyone.
Bye, ma'am.